Switching techniques. In large network, there can be multiple paths from sender to receiver. The switching technique will decide the best route for data transmission. Switching technique is used to connect the system for making one-to-one communication. Classification of switching techniques. Switching technique. Circuit switching, message switching, packet switching, space division switches, time division switches, datagram approach, virtual circuit approach. Switch virtual circuit, permanent virtual circuits. Circuit switching. Circuit switching is switching technique that establish dedicated path between sender and receiver. In the circuit switching technique, once the connection is established, then the dedicated path will remain to exist until the connection is terminated. The circuit switching to a network operates in a similar way as the telephone work. A complete end-to-end path must require before the communication takes place. In case of circuit switching, when any users wants to send the data, voice, video, a request, a signal is sent to the receiver, then the receiver sends back the acknowledgement to ensure the availability of the dedicated path. After receiving the acknowledgement, dedicated path transfers the data. Circuit switching is used in public telephone network. It is used for voice transmission. Fixed data can be referred at a time in circuit switching. Communication through different switching has three phases: circuit establishment, data transfer, circuit disconnect. Space division techniques. Space division switching is circuit switching technology in which a single transmission path is accomplished in a switch by using a physically separate or a set of cross points. Space division switching can be achieved by using a crossbar switch. A crossbar switch is a metallic cross point or semiconductor gate that can be enabled or disabled by a control unit. The crossbar switch is made by using the semiconductor. For example, Xilinx crossbar switch using FPGA. Space division switching has high speed, high capacity, and non-blocking switches. Space division switches can be categorized into two ways: crossbar switching, multi-stage switching. Crossbar switch. The crossbar switch is a switch that has an unit that has an input line and an output line. The crossbar switch has an square intersection point known as cross point. Disadvantages of crossbar switch: the number of the crossbar switch number of as increases as the number of stations increase. Therefore, it becomes very expensive for a large switch. The the solution there is this to a multiple switch, multi-stage switch. Multi-stage switch is made by splitting the crossbar switch into smaller units and then interconnecting them. It reduces the number of cross points. If one part fails, there will be an availability of another part. Advantages of circuit switching: in in the case circuit switching technique, the communication channel is dedicated as fixed bandwidth. Disadvantages of circuit switching: once the dedicated path is established, the only delay occurs in the speed of data transmission. It takes a long time to establish a connection, approx 10 seconds, during which no data can be transferred. It is more expensive than other switching techniques as a dedicated path as there is required for each connection. It is inefficient to use because once the path is established and no data is transferred, then the capacity of the path is wasted. In this case, the connection is dedicated, therefore no other data can be transmitted even if channel is free. Message switching is a switching technique in which a message is transferred as a complete unit and routed through an intermediate node at which it is stored and forwarded. In a message switching technique, there is no establishment of a dedicated path between the sender and receiver. The destination address is appended to the message. Message switching provides a dynamic routing as the message is routed through the intermediate nodes based on the information available in the message. Switches are programmed in such a way so that they can provide the most efficient routes. Each and every node stores the entire message and then forward it to the next node. The type of network is known as store and forward network. Message switching treats each message as independent entity. Advantages of message switching: data channels are shared among the communicating devices that improve the efficiency of using available bandwidth. Traffic congestion can be reduced because the message is temporarily stored in the nodes. Message priority can be used to manage the network. The size of the message which is sent over the network can be varied, therefore it supports the data of unlimited size. Disadvantages of message switching: the message switches must be equipped with sufficient storage to enable them to store the messages until the message is forwarded. The long delay can occur due to the storing and forwarding facilities provided by the message switching technique.